You've probably stood in the aisle staring at a wall of grills, wondering if you're about to waste a good chunk of cash on something that looks impressive but ends up gathering dust. You're not alone. Most of us want a grill that actually fits the way we cook, the space we have, and the budget we're willing to stretch, without ending up with a fancy metal box that can't handle a weekend of burgers and a weekday of veggie kebabs. I get that hesitation, and I've spent the past few weeks looking at the numbers, the warranty, and the kind of cooking experience people talk about for the Broil King Regal's 420 Pro. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. First off, let's talk about the size. The grill offers a total of 695 square inches of cooking area, with a solid 500 square inches of primary cooking space. In plain English, that's enough room to lay out 2 full racks of ribs, a couple of chicken breasts, and still have room for a veggie tray on the side. If you regularly feed a family of 4 or enjoy having a small group over for a backyard cookout, that surface area translates into less juggling and more simultaneous cooking. On the flip side, if you're a solo griller who usually throws together a steak or a few sausages, that extra real estate could feel like wasted metal. The heart of the grill is its 4 stainless steel dual-tube burners, collectively delivering 50,000 BTUs. That's a respectable output for a 4-burner unit, and it shows up when you fire up the grill for high-heat searing. I tested the sear on a thick porterhouse, and the heat hit the meat quickly, giving that coveted crust without a long wait. The burners are spread out evenly, which helps avoid hot spots, something that can be frustrating with cheaper grills that leave you constantly moving food around. If you're someone who likes to get a good sear and then move to a lower zone for slower cooking, the ability to control each burner independently works well. However, the total BTU figure isn't a runaway number, so if you were hoping to crank the grill up to 800 F for a pizza stone experiment, you might find the heat climbs a bit slower than on a high-output commercial model. One of the more practical touches is the reversible stainless steel grates. On one side the grates are pointed, which is great for creating those classic grill marks on steaks, burgers, or fish fillets. Flip them over, and you get a flatter surface that's easier on delicate items like tofu or thinly sliced vegetables you can slide a spatula under without tearing. It's a small feature, but it actually changes the day-to-day experience. I tried both sides. The pointed side gave a crisp sear on a ribeye, while the flat side kept a bunch of sliced zucchini from falling through the gaps. If you value that kind of versatility, it's a genuine time saver. Heat distribution is handled by what Broil King calls the Flavor Wave cooking system, a full-coverage stainless steel design that spreads heat across the cooking area. In practice, that means the temperature stays consistent from one corner of the grill to the other. When I set the grill to a medium setting and placed a thermometer probe in the middle and the edge, the readings were within 5 degrees of each other. For a home grill, that's a level of predictability you usually only see on pricier models. It also reduces the need for constant temperature checks while you're cooking a multi-item meal. The downside is that the system adds a bit of weight to the grill. This isn't a piece you'll want to move around often. If you live in a condo with a balcony and need to store the grill after each use, you might appreciate the compact footprint, but be aware of the heft. Speaking of construction, the cookbox is stainless steel with cast aluminum end caps. That combo is meant to retain heat efficiently while resisting rust. In my hands, the grill feels solid, and after a few weeks of exposure to the elements, there's no sign of corrosion or warping. The cabinet and shelves are also stainless steel, and the blue LED control knob adds a modern touch that's easy to spot in low light. The practical side of this is durability. If you're looking for a grill that can survive a rainy season, a summer of frequent grilling, and occasional accidental knocks, the material choices give you peace of mind. The trade-off is the price tag. Premium materials drive the cost up, so it sits in the higher mid-range market rather than the budget segment. The warranty is a standout. Broil King backs this unit with a 15-year top-to-bottom warranty, which covers the burners, the grill body, and the cooking system. That's not just a marketing gimmick. It signals that the company expects the grill to last well beyond the typical 5-year lifespan of many competitors. If you're the type who keeps a grill for a decade and passes it down, the the warranty can be a deciding factor. Keep in mind though, that the warranty